Stock number 41073B. It's a 2015 Ram 1500. It does have a key, it does not start. You see the front bumper's no good, it's got dents in it. The headlight looks good, the grille looks good. Got a paint problem right there on the hood. The fender's got some rust on it. It's got some rust up there. It's got a dent down there with some paint problems. Got a paint problem down there. Got some dents. Some more paint problems. Side's no good. See the dent back there. Rear bumper's no good. It's got a dent right there. Deck lid's got some. This truck bed's no good. This door's no good. Driver door's no good. Front fender's no good. It does have a key, it does not start. The seatbelt's good. This door don't open. The seatbelt's good too. Seatbelt's good. This is stock number 41073B. It's a 2015 Dodge Ram 1500. It does have a key, it does not start.